Until now, exhaust leaks have been difficult to pinpoint because they had to be located with the engine running. Small exhaust leaks tend to go away as the engine warms up due to thermal expansion. The Smoke Pro will find even the smallest leak in the exhaust system with the engine off and the system cold. Exhaust leaks are simple to find with the Smoke Pro using the supplied exhaust cone adapter. Simply install the exhaust cone into the vehicle's tailpipe and insert the smoke supply nozzle into its hose. Now just turn on the smoke supply and look for the leak using the supplied halogen lamp.